Hi everyone, and thanks for checking out my channel. I'm going to have a look tonight at natural gas, and I'll have a look at WTI just to get back to some more basic chart analysis and letting a little bit on the side the bigger picture about the market that's still resisting, especially in S&P 500, seeing some rotation from tech to more industrial. And turning to the Dow for some upside to compensate for the move to the downside on the Nasdaq. So getting back to natural gas and WTI and see what kind of trade we could see. So natural gas is kind of a really neat configuration. I was expecting this to reverse from the previous structure we had in place, which was quite neat. So either you can see it as a head and shoulder pattern, or you can see it as a inverted cup handle. But regardless, we did actually validate the structure last week with a really clean break, as we can see here. It's just in that area here, so that got the 270 broke. I think it was on the 8th. So yeah, definitely validating the structure to the downside with the target that is the height of the cup. Sorry, it's this. Just grab this, remove that. Yes, so getting the top here on the break. So we're still looking at closing the gap at 2.15. As we can see on the 4 hours, we are still dragging along that very large divergence since the gap to the upside we had back end of September. So that's been lasting for quite some time. We broke a very major trend line also with that move here when it did actually break 270. So I believe that it was very key. We're going to continue to the downside. If we look at the quote report, we can see the managed money did heavily load short, reducing long. We can see even the hedgers did reduce their short exposure, which makes sense, expecting the price to continue down. And in terms of the other traders, we can see that some funds are still betting on the long side and reducing short, which seems a little bit counterintuitive really. The only chance for this to invalidate would be to get back above 280 and break back above 270. I believe this is rather safe. As we can see on the 4 hours, we having a potential put this in green. Divergence forming here, but I'm not expecting this to actually hold, and it should actually either pull back some bounce toward 270 or potentially breaking lower straight away on Monday morning. So we will see that, but there's really not much support. The next one, there's something in around 240 that could bring some support. If we bring the daily chart, we can see that we also have the 200 running here. Has not been very strong support in the past anyway, so it might probably not actually hold much around 245, but we'll see. There could be a chance to potentially exit to get a buy signal here, trade some bounce, or otherwise just stay in position until we actually clear the gap. 215 is the target, so yes, that will be the trade. Should we actually keep continuing to the downside? So loading at 260, a bit low, but on a retouch of 270, that could be a nice trade opportunity to actually short this market. So yeah, thanks for watching that video. Wish you safe trading, and I speak to you. Cheers, bye.